Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Din and I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix the spices and then cook the dish. Very simple method I'm going to use, so please follow the instructions carefully. So let's cook. I have compiled a list of ingredients required to make this dish. Please pause the video and get your ingredients ready. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chef Din and today I'm going to show you something very easy to make and very simple to make. I've had a lot of requests from people asking me how to make it and this is so simple. I didn't really want to make this video, but I thought I better because you need to know how to make it because it's very popular condiment dish you have in restaurants, and it goes really well with onion bhajis especially, and a wedge of lemon, and also the most common use for this sauce is with chicken tikka and tandoori chicken, which is really nice. So let me begin and I'll go through it with you. To make this mint sauce we only need chili powder. I'm trying to weigh this chili powder out because it's such a small quantity and I'm getting a bit confused here because I'm not sure how much to put in, because I'm not looking at the quantity of yogurt. Normally when I look at something I know exactly how much to put in, so I think I'll do it my method, then weigh it out later and just put it in. So in the yogurt you put the chili powder. I always use a couple of tablespoons of lemon juice as well, and sugar, and also the mint sauce itself. I use a mint sauce what you get in a jar. I think Coleman's do a nice mint sauce, so use that mint sauce, and put in a little bit of milk if you need a little bit of milk to make it a bit more loose, because sometimes yogurts can be quite thick. So add a little bit of milk to get the right thickness you want. If you want it a bit more runny, then add a little bit more milk, and so on. It's very simple. Taste it, make sure the sugar content and the chili is to your liking. If it isn't, you can add a little bit more. My guide is a basic guide for myself and what I would sell in a restaurant, but if you like it a little bit hotter or a little bit less heat, you can add less or more. It's entirely up to you, and same with the sugar, you can add a little bit more as well. A lot of restaurants have a lot of variations of this sauce, and over the years people and chefs have been just adding, that's my brother, just adding the last bits of mint sauce instead of throwing it away into the mix. My brother also used to be a chef. He's come to visit me today, so he's been here for the last 10 days, and today we're having a little gathering together and having I think we was making a chicken shashlik video as well, so this is to go with the chicken shashlik. By the way, they enjoyed the chicken shashlik. If you haven't heard of that one, that's like a chicken tikka cooked in the clay oven, or you can cook it under the grill. You'll find the recipe on my channel. Anyway, this is how you do the mint sauce. I hope you enjoy this. Please let me know in the comments what you think, and there you go. So how simple was that? Well, bye for now, and hope to see you soon.